A string of arsons in Edmonton has police concerned, and now word the attacks could be tied to a large-scale extortion scheme.
Fires like this one have lit up the sky over Edmonton in recent months and left new houses and homes under construction leveled or heavily damaged. 9 fires in just the last 2 months are being investigated as arsons.
Police are investigating at least 34 incidents of extortions that have occurred since October, causing $10 million in property damage. Edmonton police have linked 3 drive-by shootings to the same suspect, in which they believe is connected to ongoing extortions.
They don't know who's inside these residences when they start firing rounds at these houses, so very scary, very brazen, and very careless.
8 years ago, the entire city fled as a catastrophic wildfire burned down entire neighborhoods.
30 minutes.
Usually if it's on the ground for that long, usually it'll be a much longer tornado track, but it was sort of slow moving. That means is like an EF2 tornado would probably rip the roof off of your house, but most of the walls would still be standing. This tornado likely falls into the category of stronger than that, in that 5% of severe tornadoes that have a major impact on buildings and crops and